アニメスパイ
あーやこれ好き
Hello everyone, have you finished the English homework?
Not yet, I'm still working at it. It's harder than I thought.
I finished it last night. It was actually fun.
I forgot about it. What was the assignment again?
We have to write short stories in English. I write short stories all the time, so it was pretty easy for me.
I usually enjoy writing, but I struggled with this one.
Me too. I'm writing about a friendship.
That sounds interesting. Mine is about a princess.
I haven't started yet. I need to think of an idea.
Well, you better hurry. The teacher is expecting us to submit it tomorrow.
Oh no! I stayed up late last night playing video games. Now I am regretting it. Well, good luck. I hope you finish on time.